In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a background image on Wix. If you're looking to give your website a clean, updated look, or simply want a change, this is the perfect opportunity to learn how to easily alter your site. So, sit back and let's dive into this simple process together. First, you'll want to open up your Wix editor. This is the tool where you can make all the magic happen on your website. Once you're in the editor, you'll see a layout of your website as it currently is. Navigate over to the section of your site where you want to remove the background image. This could be on any part of your website, maybe the header, your main content area, or even the footer. Look closely at your layout and zero in on the exact section that you want to edit. Once you've located the section with the background image you wish to remove, click directly on it. By doing this, you're signaling to the editor that you'd like to make some changes here. After clicking, you'll notice a series of options that will pop up on your screen. Among these, there will be an option that says Change Background. Go ahead and click on this next. As you click Change Background, the editor will present you with a few options to modify the background. Since our goal here is to remove the background image entirely, we're aiming for a clean and image-free look. Near the options, you'll find a selection labeled None. By choosing None, you're telling the Wix editor that you prefer to remove any current background images, leaving the section without any image behind it. And just like that, you'll see the background image disappear from the section, offering a refreshed look to that part of your website. It's as simple as click, select, and away it goes. With this, you can ensure your website remains visually appealing and tailored to your vision. Remember that if at any point you change your mind and decide you want to put a different image back, you can easily return to the same Change Background area whenever you'd like. The process will be just as streamlined whether you're adding an image or removing one. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to remove a background image on Wix. Feel free to experiment with other parts of your site and let your creativity guide you. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you find these instructions helpful for giving your website the sleek look it deserves.